Hey, this is Felix. Today I'm going to bring you guys on a private tour of a container house that my friend Thierry is building in Hua Hin. Stick around till the end. I'll tell you about the pricing and how to make it happen. So like, subscribe below, and enjoy. Hey, I'm Felix. I used to run a marketing agency in China and decided to move to Hua Hin for a more peaceful lifestyle. Let's just say we've been enjoying life here for the last 8 years. We're passionate about real estate, art, and design, but we connect with absolutely everyone. We guide people through difficult life decisions and help them achieve their goals. If you're looking to buy, sell, or develop, get in touch with us. Really stunning and unique. So this is it. This is the container villa from my friend Thierry. Here he is, the man. He is doing this incredible container villa. You can see the size of the containers here. So this way, there's 3 containers. And I remember I was here when the containers came a few months ago. So he has 3 containers on this side, and on the second floor, I'll show you later, there's 3 more containers. There's 4 more containers on the other way. So the kitchen here is gonna look really amazing. So I wanna show you the reference photos. So look at this, it looks super clean. Working with concrete for countertops, it's a little bit challenging, but when you do it right, it looks really, really nice, really modern. Yeah, I want to show you that detail. This is a container door. Look at this. Now, look at this. It's gonna need a little bit of grease, but look at that. It's a great, unique feature. Really industrial. And you have the same here. This is all custom made, of course. And the front door, which I think is beautiful. So you see the walls, look at this effect. It's great. So the front door, a massive door with this huge handle. Great. And this is Natty, the lovely wife of Thierry. So what he's doing is completely different than most people. Most people are building a container house with the outside being the container look, but inside being finished like a normal house. So Thierry is doing the opposite. The outside doesn't look like a container, but inside it does, which is really cool. So here is the second floor on top of the stairs. You have the master bedroom here and another room here. And on the left, you have the rooms for the kids. All right, so here's the kids' bedroom. The more that I look at the walls, the more that I like it, because it's really unique. The second bedroom for the kids is right here. Wow, look at these windows. Not bad. Great view. Here's the bathroom. Okay, that's the back terrace. Look at all this space. So here, there's gonna be some landscaping. There's gonna be a pool. Lovely view. So this side is the master bedroom side, but wait. This is the stairs to go to the rooftop. So there's gonna be a little rooftop chilling area. Let's go check it out. Yes. This is called a panoramic view. So here, he's gonna install some solar panels on this side, and on this side as well. You can see the tracks. So that's gonna be making 10 kilowatts per day if it's sunny. And here you have the solar water heater. So So here, this is the kids' bedroom, and you can see the first container facing me and the second container, and it's the same on the other side. And you can see like the roof details to make it look a little bit better. And this is the master bedroom. So again, the container walls and the lovely view, connection with nature. So here's the front terrace, and look at that view. He's got some guys working in front. So the idea was to build this massive house and to sell the plots in front. So the first 2 plots on the right are sold, and the ones on the left are still available. Look at this. I really like these concrete blocks. Not expensive, and it looks good. And this area is gonna be like a built-in outdoor seating. And here, that's the container sliding doors that were custom made. And like Thierry's idea is to do a lot of custom work, working with wood and concrete. So kind of like industrial mixed with tropical. Looking really good from the back.
Là, c'est des guerriers, ça.
All right, so now I'm with Eric. He's the guy that bought the plot in the front that I showed you guys earlier. So he's making this unique kind of wooden house. And look at this kind of wood. Look at how long these are. So what kind of wood is that? What kind of tree? Oh, all right. Where's it from?
Thailand.
It's from Thailand.
I don't know any English word for this wood.
Wow, look at this.
I don't know the name. It's not like teak wood or whatever.
So,
some wood we use on boat.
So the really interesting thing about Eric is that he owns a couple boats. So he has these really cool junk boats. He has 2 of them, and he has this boat tour business. So I'm gonna do a video about that only because you really have to see that. So this wood is called Takien Tong. It grows here in Thailand. It's not used for houses so much. It's mostly used for boats, and bugs just simply do not get into that. So these are the lucky owners of this incredible villa. Look at this. I think the kids are gonna be pretty happy to be here. Huh? Yeah, the dog is gonna have space. So when you build this kind of villa, it's quite challenging because everything is custom made pretty much. And especially Thierry, he's going for like a really unique style, and he's doing really what he loves. So, I mean, the result is gonna be fun. He doesn't want to spend too much money, so he's spending money wisely and using some local craftsmen. It's taking a little bit more time, but he's gonna save money, and the result is gonna be quite unique. Okay, so back to the container costs. So if you're looking online about containers, you'll find quickly in Bangkok there's a couple companies. For example, Container Kings. So you'll see the pricing on their site. It can be a little bit confusing. You know, if we talk in general, containers, the pricing depends on the quality. So some are older, some are newer. So let's say, you know, containers, there's 2 types. There's more types, but you can divide them in 20 foot or 40 foot. So there are some also that are high cube. So a 20 foot container on average is gonna be around 50,000 baht. If you go for a 20 foot high cube, it's gonna be about 70,000. So of course, always depends on the quality. For the 40 foot containers, that's what Thierry got. It's around 100,000. It can go up to 140 quite easily. If you're talking about containers that are almost new, you'll have to double that price. So Thierry, he got 6 containers, 40 foot. He paid, you can get a bit of a discount when you buy a few. He paid 610,000 baht. So you have to add to that the transportation costs. So he told me, so this is transportation from Lem Chabang port to Hua Hin. So that was about, he said 30,000. Plus you need the crane. So the crane, he said something like 13,000. So you might be splitting the cost of the crane at the port with the seller. But in Hua Hin, you have to hire the crane and pay for that. So if you have any container projects, a resort, a private house, anything, I want to know about it. I'm a little bit crazy about design, so I'm always interested. So like, subscribe, and have a good day.